Hi, everyone. A big challenge for building operations teams is they're constantly on the move, ensuring the uptime of critical infrastructure and responding to tenant complaints. Now, one of the things users love about Peak is how easy it is to use to detect issues and fix issues even when they're on the move. All right, let's see it in action. So Peak monitors works on any device and gives you real-time visibility across all your critical infrastructure in your building and all the IoT sensors. Alerts reveals all the real-time issues affecting the comfort, reliability, and sustainability across your entire building. Now, let's look at one of these issues and fix one of them right now. Let's fix one of these broken sensor issues. So we have a full description of what's actually going on. We can drill into the real-time telemetry to show us specifically what went wrong, when, and how. We can directly inside on our mobile device let the team know that we've repaired the issue just with a few simple taps. Let's do that right now. And we'll put in battery dead. Great. We can also directly share photo evidence of the issue, just confirming that we've replaced and fixed the issue. It's that simple.